Y'all, the YZ125 is back and this thing's better than ever. Last summer I blew this thing up on the trails, but we went ahead and rebuilt the crank on it. It was my first time inside of a transmission and we got that thing dialed. I actually low-key had an issue putting it back together at first, but we got it back together and everything seems to be working mint. So let's go on a little ride today, I guess. I am super excited to finally get this thing riding. It has been so long and it feels so good to rip a 125 two-stroke. If you haven't ripped one, you gotta try it because it is just so dang fun to ring through them gears. In this video I can't really ride it too hard because we're still on the braking phase and we're still in braking oil. I actually don't even have that much gas in there right now, but we're still gonna go on a ride because I want to get a GoPro video for you guys. I'm sure you guys are dying to see content on the YZ125, so I'm gonna start this thing up, warm it up and get a montage, and then we'll go on a ride with the GoPro. I've went on an actual ride, y'all. I don't want to rip it too hard, and I don't know how it's gonna go. There's a kid covering his ears. Seems like it's running pretty cherry, y'all. I don't know how much gas I have though, so I'm trying to be careful. Like a quarter throttle, maybe a little bit more. Let's go check out the trails, because people are trying to pressure me to get on these trails. I haven't ridden an actual dirt bike in a minute, y'all. Y'all gotta give me a minute. Might be a little rusty, but here's a trail. Y'all think that's bad? Just wait a second. Let me get up here. It's just snow. I'm not going down there right now. These trails are rough right now. This isn't the main trail, but they're still pretty rough. I also don't have my gas tank mounted, so that'd be pretty dumb. This thing's running so good. I adjusted my clutch too, and this runs a lot better. Thing's running mint. I'm almost thinking that the crank was gonna go anyway, and it's not my mystery mixer's fault. It sounds so good. The jetting's like dialed too. Still running it on braking oil. I'm not sure what that is exactly. Oh, I hope that smells that car, not me. Holy shit, this is cold. Holy shit. look at all the snow on the trail. What is this? It is May. I only have a front brake right now, so I gotta be careful. Or a gear too high. I haven't ridden this 125 in like a year, y'all. This is so fun. Still for not revving it out much, goddamn. It feels so much more powerful than it was. Holy crap. Go check it over here. A little track area, not really. Oh my god! Let's go down there. What is this? This is a lake. This is the landing of the jumps right here. This is a lake. Fun. Am I not in first? I am. I gotta rev it up more. Whoa, not going through that snow. I will hit a rock and not realize. Almost stalled it. I haven't worked the clutch in a minute, y'all. Y'all gotta cut me some slack. We're gonna hit some enduro though. Okay, maybe not. I gotta work on my clutch skills for a minute. Can I get down? Oh, okay. I stalled it. Let's see, I'm gonna get down right here really carefully. Don't fit. We'll hit some enduro when it's a little more dry. And I get a little bit better at this because I'm a bit rusty. I know I'm not the greatest rider around, but it's kind of rough right now. This bike is so fun though, and I'm really glad it's finally riding. I didn't think it was honestly gonna run, and I know you guys didn't either. But we got it running. Alright y'all, we made it back to the house. Of course my GoPro ran out of storage. There's always a problem with this thing. But the 125 is so fun. This bike is literally so awesome. I haven't ridden a two-stroke in a while. I haven't ridden something with gears in a while, and I haven't ridden something with the clutch in a while, but it was still a blast. And I didn't lose all my ability to do so. I mean, I kind of suck at riding right now, but we'll get back. It still is the beginning of summer. It still is only May. I don't know how we have snow, but we do. I still have yet to make a video mentioning all the sponsors on this build, but thanks to KKE, Power Seal, Vertex, Fathead, Wheeler Garage, All Balls Racing, Bold, and UFO Class for helping me get this YZ125 built. This thing needs to be washed, but holy crap, it's clean.